Let's see. Let's unpack the Creality dryer right now. I've ordered it on like Digitech, it's a Swiss store, and it costs around 80 bucks. And I think it's pretty nice and good quality. So first of all, let's see the specs. We have here, it's for drying the filament, like we have between 45 and 70 degrees, and it consumes 160 watts of power. To this, to let it dry while also I'm not using it or running it, I ordered the silica shale. I don't know how to say that. They are little bags filled with silica shale, and you can put them in the microwave to dry them again, or in the oven. In total, I think together it was around 80 Swiss francs. Then I also ordered some bags to keep the whole filament dry, together with the eSun vacuum pack. So the idea is to, like, if you're storing it for a long time, you can keep it in here. I will check that later. First of all, take out the eSun. It's packed pretty well, I think. Pretty decent. I've chosen the big one. So the nice thing is you have inside, you have 2 filament rolls that you can store at the same time. And you can dry them at the same time, but still using both in 2 different 3D printers. Right now, I'm in the Alps in my holiday house. Here I just have one 3D printer, but it's no problem that you can still dry another filament roll while using the other. That was kind of the idea. So very simple instruction. I think this was the German. Oh no, it's both languages. So let's just start and plug it in and check with the first filament. I had really some problem with stringing the last prints I made. So I decided to go for a filament dryer. Even the humidity is not too bad. In my holiday house, we have still, I think, around 40 to 50 degrees. And so here we see we should press it and hold it for 5 seconds to start. Okay, it's I see it's a kind of a cheap old touch screen, but it works pretty well. Let's say we have PLA. Okay, it's nice. We have kind of good templates working. We go to setting. We have the time we can set. We have PV. I think this is okay. We can change to Fahrenheit and Celsius. We have the temperature. We have the material. I think this is all we can set. And now it will start drying already. And if we see inside, I will turn it around. We already have the silica shale bags in here. They are delivered from factory side. So we close it again. That's pretty nice. So I'm gonna get a filament roll and put it in. Okay. First of all, I'm gonna take a black PLA filament roll by Polymaker. Until now, I never had some problems with this roll or with the while printing, but I think never less. Let's see this thing. I don't know if it fits in here or it stops. Eventually it stops it, right? Is this the idea? No. I think it should stop from filament outlet. Place the filament roll into the dryer and feed the filament through the filament outlet to top of the dryer shown in the diagram. Thread the filament into the PTFE top until the length of the filament protrudes. They inserted the front end of the FTE tube into the filament outlet on the dryer. Okay, but where do we have this little I don't know if this should fit in here. I think this will never fit in here. Oh, damn. Okay, now that looks good. So we're gonna feed in the roll. Okay, that was pretty simple, I think. Okay, this is not made for this. Is it already dry? Okay. And why is this open? This doesn't make sense. Okay. I think this was it. Thanks.